Hello everybody. Today I am doing a review. I am reviewing the Great Value Peanut Caramel and Nougat Bar. So I went to Walmart the other day to do my shopping and I saw this and I was a little nervous about getting it, but what made me get it is like Snickers and it was $2.99 and you get 6 in here. So that was a real good buy. And so I'm going to open it. I'm going to get on with this review. I'm glad they're starting to make these kind of candies. I hope it's just as good as Snickers. This is what it's looking like. Like that. So let me open it. Looks just like Snickers. Now let's try it. Y'all try with me, okay? This is good. It's really good. Now, the only thing is, I feel like the peanuts are a bit bigger in this than the Snickers. The chocolate tastes a little bit more richer than Snickers. The nougat is just right. It's exactly like Snickers. It's really sweet. I think I taste the caramel a little more in the Snickers. From 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a 9. Because it's very similar to Snickers. But the peanuts, they do feel a little bigger in my mouth. That's not a fail. Some people like more of a peanut taste. It's more crunchy. It's a little more crunchier than the Snickers. But I'm telling you, this is a good alternative. You can get a lot of these for your family and save some money. I think they should put a little more caramel in there. Because I am mostly tasting the peanuts and the nougat. So that's my review, y'all. Great Value Peanut Caramel and Nougat Bar. Check out your Walmart. I don't know if it's on it online. I haven't tried it online to see if they even had it. I stumbled upon this one. Thank you for watching. There will be more videos. Please subscribe. Please comment. Please share. Everyone, please share. And have a wonderful day. Bye now.